Clerodendrums are one of the most popular flowering tropical plants in southern plant collections. They are easy to grow, not picky about soils and watering, and flower freely throughout the year. They can take both sun and shade, which makes them priceless for home gardens. Many Clerodendrum species are winter bloomers, so when thinking about brightening your dark winter days, this is the plant you need. They will help flower happily even on a windowsill. The most popular varieties of Clerodendrums are Bleeding Heart with white, pink, or red bracts, Cashmere Bouquet with rose-like pure white fragrant flowers and lush fuzzy foliage, Musical Note with curious flowers resembling notes, Blue Butterfly, an all-time favorite. There is a very interesting variety similar to Blue Butterfly that has butterfly-shaped flowers, but they have a pink color. Some Clerodendrums have very showy fruit, like for example, the Fountain Clerodendrum. Pagoda flowers and Java Glorybower are great for shady spots in your garden. They grow quickly and vigorously and can cover unwanted views and corners in no time. Most Clerodendrums are shrubs or woody vines, but some grow into small trees. For example, winter starburst. It is also called fireworks for the showy display of bursting flowers. One of the most spectacular winter bloomers is Chains of Glory, also called light bulb flower for the shape of the flower. Closely related is the Bridal veil. Top Tropicals has the largest selection of Clerodendrums. Check out our online store and make your choice of the most beautiful and easy plants for your garden. Enjoy your winter flowers!